Hello and welcome to another video of how to do AFK Sim. I didn't realize until the last second that the last video did not have any audio. Apparently iMovie's not that good. So instead, I'll be making another part 1. And this time, I'm going to try to figure out how to make the audio work, as we do another 1-minute intro, just like the last time. But you didn't hear me say that, because there was no audio, of course. How ridiculous. Look at those colorful glass tubes, as they're all colorful, as we wait for this intro to be over. Intro to be over. I think it's almost over. Anyways, I'll be teaching you how to make a pretty simple AFK simulator game. Here are some of the things you're going to need. You're going to need the region selection tool, which you can get from your housing menu right there in your hotbar. Click on that and move your mouse over to Pro Tools up in the corner. Then go over and click the region selection tool, the only stick in the place. Now you have your thing. I'm also going to be teaching you how to make the level up guy. But how you get the NPC to make him, all you have to do is go to items, the little emerald, and then click the NPC and drag him down to your hotbar. And there you go. Shift right click to code and delete, just like that. And first we'll be making this little dropper that you can see, and we'll be teleporting you up to the top of the roof, dropping you down, teleporting you back up, and give you a reward. Let's first make the region. You want to right click, and then left click, and it makes your little region. You can see by the red particles. Next, you want to stand in the middle of where your dropper is going to be. I go in F5 and fly up until you hit the top. Then go over to your housing menu. Go over to house settings. Click on house settings and move up over to regions. Click on regions, and then go over to the wooden axe called create regions. Click on that, and you can name the region whatever you want. I'm going to name it test. Next, you're going to want to go to entry actions. This is where we're going to do the code. Click add action. Then you're going to click conditional. Then click conditions. This is going to be what they need to use the dropper. Click add condition. Go over and click player stat requirement. Click on the first book. This is going to be what they need, what level they need to use this. So it's going to be, you need test. Then we're going to click on this and click greater or equal than, or greater than, that thing right there, you can read, right? And this is going to be what it needs. We're going to need like level 5 or test 5 to use this. Next, you're going to go back and you're going over to if actions. So click on that, then go over to add action. You're going to want add teleport player. Click on location, then click current location, because you should be at the top of your dropper. Next, you're going to want to add another action. Change player stat. Mode. Increment 1. We're going to increment it by 6. This one I don't mess up. Test 2 is just going to be our currency. So test 2 is where you're going to put your currency in the game. So as you can see, it teleports us up there. Now, like it said, we needed test 5 to use it. But I'll show you why I'm allowed to use it. So first, get your hologram. Get a hologram. Go over to your housing menu. I'm going to show you where you get the hologram. You go back to items where the NPC is and grab a hologram. And bring it down to your hotbar. Then place that hologram. And we're going to type in the stats so you can see it. So it's going to see how many coins we get. So let's do you have, and then we're going to click on this one. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want %. Right here I mess up. I click player. So do not do what I just did. Do not put player.stat. what you're going to want to do is, in a second, I'll realize that I messed up, and I'll show you what they actually do. I'm a bit confused, like, what the heck's going on? So you want to go %stat.player instead of player.stat. You want to do stat.player slash your coins, and then another %, and it'll show you how many you have. Now, like you see, I needed like level 5 or test 5 to do that, but you didn't see me get any test, and this guy hasn't been coded yet. So let's code him to give you some levels once you have enough money. So shift click him. Oh, never mind then. I guess we're gonna be. I don't really remember saying this clip, but okay. I guess I'm gonna be showing my levels on this one instead. So your level slash stat, and you're gonna put the same thing as last time, but this time you're gonna put your level stat, which for us it's gonna be test. So you see I have 16 from the last video. Forgot to slash edit stat, your username, set, oh wait, yeah, I did that wrong again. There's a lot of errors in this video, so I'm going to try to guide you along as good as possible. So if you want to edit your stat without using any, like, active blocks, what you're going to do is, unlike I did last time, where I messed up, you're going to want to do slash edit stats, your username, the stat you want to set, then do set, and then choose the number. So now, as you can see, our level slash test is 0. So we can't, it doesn't teleport us. It does not give us any money. Go back to your housing menu, because I forgot to add a code that you need to do. Go to regions, go to your test region, or the region you're using, go to conditional, go to else actions, so if they don't have the high enough one, and you can click go to house spawn. So if they try to use it, they get teleported out and do not get any reward. Now we're going to do it where you can get the level. Sorry about last time, sort of false alarm. We're going to do our level up 100 test, or coins. So we're going to shift click him. We're going to go to his actions. We're going to click add action, click conditional, go to conditions, add conditional, player stat requirement, your coin stat, which here I mess up and put your level stat. I'll fix that later on. So you don't want to put your coin stat there. So it's coin greater or equal to 100. Then you're going to go to if actions. Your coin stat again. I put level by accident. Increment, but you want to switch it to decrement. Decrement the cost, so how much it's going to cost. Go back, click add action. Then what you want to do is, this one is for the level, so you're going to do, this one's going to be test. So it's going to be test. I think I just now realized that you go back and fix it. Yeah, okay. I'm going to fix it really quick. So we're going to have a long pause of silence as I watch my past self fix my mistake. Okay, you go back to if actions after I fix that, then click show title, which is the book. Then you can do +1 test or level, anything you want. So now we have that. Else actions, now, so if they don't have enough, we're going to send a chat message that says, you do not have 100 tests to. Do you do that? There you go, it says I do not have enough, and I can't use that. So should probably get myself that many. I could use slash edit stat, but why would I do slash edit stat? Slash edit stat is boring. I want to click a button 100 times apparently. Yeah, now putting the audio over this video, I'm looking at it and going, I could have done a lot of different things, but too lazy to go back and re-record. But hopefully when I make the actual part 2, will be a bit better. So get ready for a speed up of me rapidly clicking a button really fast. And as you can see, my admins are complaining in chat. Isn't it just wonderful when your admins complain all the time? Yeah, I hate it. Anyways, after I get to 500, which will, since 100 coins equals 1 level. There we go. Now that we had enough, we can use it. Apparently I was too stupid to understand I had to do that 5 times. So we're going to do that 5 times, and now we can use it. As you can see, it teleports us up. You put those together, all that I just taught you, if you could understand me, you can make a pretty good AFK simulator. As you can see, how I put it in my own game. Right here, the tube, plus 1 coin per fall. You need level 0, it's the starter tube. Just fall down and it gives you coins. I'll teach you how to make the text the different colors in a different video. See, it pluses you 1 level for every 100 coins, and if you want to give them more, you can do the same thing, but 1,000 coins for 10 levels, just in case if they have too many coins. So that's the end of part 1. Hopefully the audio will actually upload. It probably won't, so you're just going to be staring at me making a bunch of mistakes in silent. Hopefully not. Oh. See you in part 2.